Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by Juan. I can't remember what's in here, so we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, there we go. That's the right place to cut a box. Right. Oh, good, it didn't go all the way through. Well, that was intentional. You see, that's how precision I was, because we needed this part to stay intact. Okay, so we have a note here. Thank you very much. Hey, MC, hope you enjoy this knife. Would love to hear your opinion on it. Keep making awesome content, or amazing content. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. He says, sorry, my handwriting. People always apologize for their handwriting. Guy, listen, your handwriting's fine. I can totally read it. Thank you. I appreciate the note there. All right, what do we have here? Kunwu. Yeah, so I don't know anything about this brand, anything about this knife. Sometimes people reach out to me with random stuff, which I encourage you to do. If you didn't know, you can email me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com. I can't promise that I will respond, and I can't promise I'll say yes to the thing that you're suggesting, but I do try to look at everything. And by the way, I mean, like, I'm not saying like I won't respond because I'm too like cool. Stuff just gets buried, right? So I don't see everything. But every now and then something comes along that I think is interesting, and if I remember correctly, this is one of those things. Okay. Interesting packaging here. Let's get this guy all the way up. Yeah, I think I'm starting to remember why I said yes to this. This must be like brand spanking. Ooh. 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 That's good looking. Ooh. Okay. All right. I will link this guy down below if I can. So let's flip it first. Okay, so the flipping action's great. Yeah, the flipping action's incredible, and just the pivot action in general is great. That front flipper is excellent. Let's take a look at this finish here. It's a pretty typical satin finish. Take a look at that pivot color. Is that Timascus? Sure looks like it. Is there a card? Let's take a look here, see if we can maybe get some details. Well, there's the website, kunwuknives.com. I think it's safe to say that these are not manufactured in the United States. Obviously, this feels like titanium, and we have kind of a, I'm hesitant to call that, maybe it's just kind of a rough orange peel with some nice texturing here. Truthfully, yeah, the fit and finish all the way around looks pretty good. This little titanium lanyard bar there. Nice pocket clip. Yeah, this feels pretty good. Sorry, left-handed flip, not as good. But the action is nice and smooth. Very easy to do the forward flick. You have an area where you can choke up here. It's kind of like, reminds me of the area on the Rat, where it's like, yeah, you can choke up there, but it's not necessarily a forward twirl, but it'll work, right? Yeah, it feels pretty good. There's a little bit of a bill here, not anything crazy. Nice backspacer. Jimping's in a pretty good place. Fit and finish is great. Is there a lock bar insert? Yeah, there is. Absolutely solid on lockup. No lock stick. Trying to decide if it's moving or if there's actually pivot lash. Nope, no pivot lash. And no detent lash. How are we on centering? Yeah, okay. What's the lockup percentage? Yeah, and the geometry looks pretty good. Yeah, this appears to be made pretty well. Just first impressions. Again, I don't know anything about this company. I don't know what their history is at all. That's stuff that I will research when I'm deciding, you know, even if I unbox something, I'm sure you guys have noticed, it doesn't always mean I'm going to review it. So, with this being a brand new company to me, I don't know anything about them. I'm happy to unbox it. Not, you know, I mean, this was intriguing enough to go through with step one. I want to research the company, find out what they're all about, find out what they've made in the past, what their track record is, things like that, so that I can basically be sure that anybody who decides to pick something like this up is really getting a quality product beyond just how it feels, because that's all I'm able to provide you in an unboxing is just, does it feel good? Sure. Once I get the history on this company, which I've had a few people say you should check out Kunwu knives, right? So, yeah. I'll research that, get a feel for this knife, and then if I decide it's something I want to do a full review on, you guys will get a full comprehensive review 2 to 3 weeks down the road. If there's a link for this, I'll provide it down there. Otherwise, I'd check out their website. I have no idea what this costs. If I were to guess, I mean, we are looking at M390 titanium, a little bit of Damascus. I don't know, $200 to $250. I'm guessing. I don't know. It's hard to say. But yeah, pretty cool. I like the, I definitely like the pivot. Very, very nice. Okay. Well, I think that's pretty much all I can say. Juan, thank you so much for introducing me to my first Kunwu knife. Is there anything in here that I should be looking at? Maybe I should show you guys. Yeah, well, there's how you spell it. Kunwu. Very cool. That's going to be pretty much it today. If you, well, make sure and follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.